Welcome to my channel, All Up in Your Melon. My name's Lauren Boucher, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a pantry cleanup. I have a bunch of bags here. This is almost empty. A bunch of things that I just want to finish. So today I'm going to be making granola. I love granola. I have it almost every day, but I always buy it. I put it in my yogurt with berries, or my boyfriend has it with milk or oat milk, or he eats it like cereal. So I'm just gonna mix a bunch of stuff up and I'm gonna make it. So what you need is you're gonna need baking sheet, parchment paper, bowl, coconut oil, oats, rolled oats. I'm gonna use these I got from Trader Joe's. I thought they were dried cranberries, but they're orange flavored. So these, I have some pistachios that I should have eaten a long time ago. I have walnuts, I have some golden raisins, coconut. You're gonna need some maple syrup. I have like 5 almonds. This needs to go. And I have some cashews. Like I said, it's a clean out. So first I'm gonna put parchment paper on the baking sheet. Uh-oh. Oh geez. Looks like I might need parchment paper. Put it on the list. So the parchment paper helps the maple syrup and coconut oil stick to the oats instead of the pan. Also, you are gonna need a little bit of salt. I'm gonna do a little bit of chunkier salt because I think that will taste really good. So first you need 4 cups of oats. So let's see how much I have left. Okay, had about half a cup left. You know, my question, is this bag recyclable? I never know. I don't think they are. No chip bags aren't. It says 7 other, so I do not believe that that is recyclable. Of course, I need scissors. I always need scissors. I don't need scissors. Okay, 4 cups, so I have about half a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's like the whole thing. 16 ounces, 4 cups, 1 pound? I don't know. I'll have to look. Okay, next, they say about 1.5 cups of nuts. So I have this cute little half cup measure, and I have pistachios in here. So I'm going to put the rest of these. Now this is recyclable. So we have almonds. We have some walnuts. So that's about half a cup. Put that in. So we want another cup basically. So we're gonna do, so that's 1 cup, and then we'll do the last half cup. Cashews. Ah, frig it, that's the whole thing. We're putting them all in. Get rid of it. Recycle. I forgot you need a half cup of coconut oil melted, so I'm gonna melt that. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at it. It's a quarter. Oh jeez. It's pretty melted. I don't even know. It's pretty soft. I think my house is pretty hot. Okay, changed my mind. I'm not gonna melt it. It's melty enough. I'm going to put in a half cup of coconut. I'm not going to add any of the raisins yet because you add them halfway through the baking process. So I am going to go and preheat my oven to 350. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. This might be a little interesting because I didn't chop any of the nuts, so they are kind of all big. But it is too late now, too late to apologize. So, also you can use a little bit of vanilla. I'm gonna put in some salt. The recipe calls for 3/4 to 1 teaspoon. But today, I'm just going for it. Ride with me. Come to, oh jeez. Now we are gonna put the coconut oil on. This is just, it almost grosses me out. Okay, I'm gonna get a spatula because I feel like this, to finish this off, I am gonna need just the whole thing. Because the recipe calls for a 1/2 cup. This is like, it's not liquid, but I think it's close enough to liquid that something else I can throw out. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's no recycle, so I don't think this thing can be recycled. And you also need a 1/2 cup of maple syrup, so I might even be finishing my maple syrup right now. What a day. This is so great. Finishing the maple syrup. So happy right now. Oh, I forgot, add a little bit of cinnamon. Recipe calls for a 1/2 teaspoon. I have a 1/4 teaspoon here. I'm just gonna eye it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also calls for a little splash of vanilla. There's the little splash. Voila! Gracefully stir and coat all of the oats. I added the gracefully part. It is starting to get a little sticky, which I think is good. Voila! All right, peeps. This made a lot of mixture. I did not expect the sheet to be full. Well, now I know why it takes 20 minutes. Okay, so you want to spread everything out as evenly as possible. This is going to take up 2 jars. But apparently it lasts 2 to 3 weeks, and you can also freeze it, and it will last like a month. So, I mean, my boyfriend and I will definitely eat this in probably a week. I'm so excited. This looks so good. Okay, and I just heard my oven go off, so I think it's probably at temperature. All right, so this already looks so good. So I'm gonna put it in for 12 minutes. Halfway through, I'm gonna stir it up and add the dried fruit. We are about halfway through, so I'm gonna take the stuff out and see how it's looking and mix it up. The oven is hot, so I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, who knows if I just did a good job. Now I'm going to add the rest of my golden raisins. You know, I feel like I buy things for a recipe, or I'm like, oh, I love those, but then I don't actually really eat them. But I usually put these types of things in my salads. Raisins and craisins. And you know what I think? I put the golden raisins in like a curry. Damn. Well, we're not gonna finish these today, but I feel like that's a good ratio, so I'm gonna mix it up. Oh my gosh. These things, these little orange craisins, they smell so good. It's really pretty magical, these craisins. You know what? Throw in a few more. They smell so good. They never hurt anybody. Get a few over here. Get them underneath. Get it out. Now, hopefully in within 12 more minutes, they will get a little bit crispier, a little browner, but they say just take them out because it's still gonna cook a little bit and you really don't want to burn them. So if you push it down, I guess that's the best way for it to crumple up a little bit. Back in the oven for 12. I will probably check on them in 10 minutes just to make sure that they are not burning. It's done and it's crispy and I'm about to take it out. So there it is. It's crisped up a little bit. I feel like it could possibly crisp a little more, but I'm too scared. So I'm just gonna say it's done. Whew. See, I'm not blushing, it's just the heat. Oh yeah, the raisins got a little roasted. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. So you want to let this cool. The longer it cools, the more it will stick together. So if I touched it now, it would kind of just crumble. So I'm gonna let this cool for a while before I actually put it into a jar or Tupperware or whatever I'm gonna put it in. I transferred all of the granola into 2 mason jars plus a little bit in a bowl that we're just gonna eat. They're delicious. They did not crunch up. I mean, like, they didn't bunch up. They didn't stay in a bunch. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know why. The nuts are just perfectly toasted. The oats are sweet and delicious. It's the perfect amount of salty, sweet, great snack. We're going camping this weekend, so these are gonna be perfect to bring, and that's it. Go home and make these. They're delicious. They're so good. And the berry part, the little, it's so juicy. It's got it all, so. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. If you like the videos, keep watching. I'll keep making them. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching.